Hello everyone and good afternoon to all. And this is our PV presentation from Team Heavenly Footwears. And on behalf of our team, wishing you a pleasant day for all. And this is our PV milestone one. Uh, I'm going to say as well as the introduction to my team, and I'm going to tell what we found as problem that worth to solve. And as team profile, and this is my team, and the name is Heavenly Footwears, and myself, I'm Mohammed Shakil, CEO of Team Heavenly Footwears, and I'm currently doing my third year mechanical engineering in BS Abdul Rahman Present Institute of Science and Technology. And one of my friend Mohammed Faizuddin takes part role as financial manager, and he's responsible for the all the financial things which we have done in our team, as well as our incomes and outgoes. Everything is managed by him in terms of financial. And one of my other friend Mohammed Shakir, who is going to be take responsible as an sales manager, and is currently doing his job and well too. And the problem that we identified, uh, first of all, we are all in lockdown in this pandemic situation, and as well as we come to know many of the business industries, even top MNCs have great losses in their revenues due to this pandemic situation, as their protection and everything is gone in some wrong manner, and they are facing such losses, as well as not only the big MNCs, and some small scale businessmen also having such personal losses in this pandemic situation. And we identified uh, something near to us uh, within our nearby footwear shops. Uh, yes, footwear shops. They were struggling to sell the footwears in current in this pandemic situation, because you have to follow some safety measures, and people, uh, even the enthusiasts who buys new footwears frequent, they were refused to buy the footwears from coming to shop and having it in their hands and seeing. They were not able to do it in such pandemic situation. They were refused to buy footwears by coming to the shops, and this is the problem we found. This is not a fault, and this is a good thing also, as because of social distancing, peoples were keeping the distance, and this is a good thing. But as an seller, this is not a good thing for you, because your business is based on these. This is will not good for you. And we found that approximately 75% of participants were not interested in buying new footwear due to this pandemic problem. And we found even the current they're using footwears are also even bad condition. They were refusing because of this COVID-19. And this currently the shopkeepers were selling in very few margins, and they were in the current mindset that we have to sell in something even for the low price margins, and they were doing. This is the problem we found. They were struggling to sell the footwears to the peoples, even who the needy ones also refused to buy the footwears. And this is the solution we taken for this problem. Uh, we literally we made those shopkeepers, and we had a deal something in between us, as selling the footwears by means of our teamwork. And this is nothing but I'm going to explain the solution. And we are going to make something like online portfolio, or marketing the footwears in online. Yes, simply like online portfolio, that seems like. And we have decided to create a page on social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and everything what we got. And we are going to just uh, get the snap of the footwears and the details, and we are going to publish it on the all social media platforms. And instead of selling it in offline, we are trying to sell it in online, because the people were in this here we are attracted for this online shopping very much. So we are going in that way. We are going to sell the footwears and market them in the online manner, and it have some benefits to us and as customers and as shopkeepers. And some of the benefits I listed here: the shopkeepers can sell their products at much higher price or even slightly littler in online marketing as part of their revenues, and the customers can buy their desired footwears, and this is the main thing I'm going to tell. They can buy whatever they want and not coming to the shops by just buying in online, and we going to deliver them what they want and what they ordered, and exactly what they ordered, and we going to deliver them even for some free deliveries, or in much case of longer distance we charge something less. And this is the solution we came up with us. And as part of the business and as part of our team, we decided to sell those footwears for the shopkeepers in some profit manners, and we decided to sell the products with a share of 20 percentage, whatever the product we sell, and we got the 20 percentage of it, and that's a deal we bought with those shopkeepers. And they were very happy to hear and that we selling those footwears which were unable to sold, and we are selling it for 20 percentage, and they accepted it a lot because we were helping to them in such matter. And we gathered not in one shop, some more, three or maybe four, I think, because one from the start. So maybe three shops, exactly three shops, and we decided to collect all the models, and we are going to uh, deliver it in online. And the people who were interested will really get to us and strike with us, and we have some conversations about the pricing, about their address details, and we got the product and we're going to deliver them. And this is the things we are going to do, and we are satisfying the customers. This is no, and I want to tell, currently we are doing with some of more few more customers, and they were really satisfied with our products, and that's a real success upon our team. And I felt so good for that, because something we have achieved some more good. And I thought, because you know, even the Amazon and Flipkarts are not properly giving and delivering the products in some more lockdown regions, and instead of them we are providing, and the people were accepting it happily because they need, and we are doing it very well, and I'm happy for that. And this is the our PV1 presentation, and thank you on behalf of my team as well as me and my friends who were part in this. And we thank you very much for giving this opportunity, as this is our practical venture and this is the first one, and we have more to go, and we have more achievements like this in our work. And I'm very happy for this, and I'm very happy to doing this for the people who need. And thank you very much.